Today is July 21st, 2025. You car guys on YouTube, I know some of you are using editors on the side, but some of you guys are doing this on your own. You gotta tell me how, because what I'm thinking of doing today, I need to get the hood off, but I'm like, honestly, I can do it myself, but do I want to? No. I'd much rather have some help doing it. Oh, it's raining. It's also like 95 degrees outside. And then I gotta start removing all this stuff in the front. So I gotta take the grill out, then I gotta take this plumbing out. That's gonna be a little harder. So over here, all this plumbing that is already going through and is in there, it's all gotta move. Because the engine's coming out and it's getting moved 2 inches forward, and I gotta figure out how to run this turbo a different way, because it's not gonna work the way it is set up currently. Not going to work at all. And I gotta get the air filter. I gotta get the air filter out in there. And I don't think I have enough plumbing for that. So I also have to find the plumbing for that, or order some. Finish pulling off hoses, undo the rest of the wiring. There's some stuff I still haven't figured out what to do with, like this. This is an electronic boost control. I don't have one. I've got to take away part of the radiator. There's no fluid in the radiator yet. I haven't tried to start the car yet. I actually knew I was gonna end up doing this, sorta, kinda. When did I figure it out? I figured it out about the time that I got everything fitted and realized nothing fits. So I gotta take this thing off. Gotta remove this bar. I might be able to leave that in. I think I can leave that in. But before I can do that, I have to take that stuff out. I think I thought about all the stuff I had to disconnect and reconnect, and I'm pretty sure I did it right. God, I hope I did. But part of the purpose of this is just to rerun fuel lines. Could I do it with the engine in? Yes, probably. The engine's gotta move 2 inches forward anyway. Everything's gonna be different. Here comes several weeks worth of work. Today's probably not gonna get very far. Because honestly, this hood, I really need it to come off. Oh, I gotta fill the differential with fluid. And then after everything goes back in, I gotta remember to fill the transmission with fluid. I'm sure it won't have much left by then. I'm gonna probably find a place to set this up and get started with what I can do. So I can get the hood off. I'm kind of done out here, but I need somewhere to put the hood because I don't have anywhere in here that it'll go. So I need to clean this space out in my shed. So I'm gonna go do that. I just got home from work. You're gonna get to this. Me and my brother pulled the hood off yesterday. So I didn't film that because, I mean, it's 4 bolts and it took us like 2 minutes. It was faster to just pull it off than to film it. So today I am going to be pulling all this stuff off. So grill, air cooler, and all the piping. The oil cooler back here is got to come out, which is going to make a mess because I got to pull it off of the engine. I think I might have to take off the fuel rail. I got a bunch of parts I got to take a picture of and put online for sale because I don't need any of them. It's probably not worth hanging on to any of them. Ooh, maybe I'll hang on to this. I doubt I'll need it, but you never know. It's a nice swivel. I'm gonna get started. Pioneer Day in Utah. So today the engine and transmission are coming out. I still got a couple of little things to take off, and then the bolts to do. I gotta pull a sensor, and then I gotta move the Mazda, and then I gotta move the MG where the Mazda is, and then I can pull this out so that I can get the engine hoist to it, because the ceiling is not high enough in here to be able to do it. I've got a transmission kit in here. I am not doing a rebuild. It's beyond me, and I don't have the tools for it. But anyway, I gotta dig out the engine hoist. I gotta dig out the engine stand, which is actually worse. This garage is not big enough. It is not big enough. I'm gonna do that and check back in later. So in order to get the engine hoist under, I had to actually lift it up and put some bricks under the front wheels. That allowed me to get it underneath, but just barely. Finished installing the fuel line. Engine's out, transmission's apart. So I'm gonna go through that first. Still gotta make a new transmission mount, which I'm not really sure where I put that. So I'm gonna have to find where I put my transmission mount. I think it's in the car. I don't see it in here. Where did I put it? Where is the mount? I gotta find the mount for this thing. Somewhere. Ruh-roh. Well. Shit. So I gotta find my transmission mount because I don't know where I put it. A couple other little things in the engine bay that I need to finish up. I gotta find my battery tray that I don't have a clue where it is and put that in. I want to reroute the wiring harness while I've got it out, but I got it out. So everything's out, everything's good, and now I gotta eat something.